Well, one of the exciting things about owning an old car is stuff happens. And have a look at this door. The older mechanism of these Chevys used to wear down here with the bushings, and you could replace some bushings easily enough and everything was fine. Pretty simple repair. But this newer model has this thing in here, so I'm going to take this apart for you and show it how it works. It's also a problem with the bushings, but repair isn't as easy because the pieces are riveted in place. Let's have a look. So I'll show you on this door. To get this piece off, you undo this 10mm bolt here, and then take off this little rubber grommet right here. And underneath this there are a couple of other 10mm bolts. Now after this is out, then what you have to do is you have to take off the whole inner door panel and then lift it out from the inside.
I should clarify that last point. The door limiter comes apart as two pieces with the strap easily pulled straight out of the body. It would be a much faster repair if you could remove the body of the limiter through its access hole. It may be possible to do that, but I think it would be difficult. When the limiter slides off its mounting holes, it would have to be tipped sideways like moving a couch through a small door. And if you drop it inside the door, you'll have to remove the door panel anyway. You'll see that I had to remove the inner door panel to do another repair, and the limiter was easy to remove from the inside.
Once you've done that, this is what it looks like. It just pulls out through there, and then you get it out through this opening. Okay, here's what this looks like. This comes apart in two pieces. You can actually pull this whole shaft right out. And the energy behind it comes from torsional rotation of this little metal rod. And you've got two rollers here, one here and then one underneath right there. And these two rollers allow this shaft to slide in and out to provide some energy to hold the door in the position it's in. But the problem is that although there are brass bushings inside these rollers, as time goes by those bushings degenerate, and this is what you're left with. You're left with a roller that has an opening that's oversized, and the bushings don't rotate freely, and so that leads to binding and then a snapping sound. There's also a bushing on this one here, same kind of detail. Now, the problem with these is that these are riveted in place, so they don't just have a cotter pin that you can slide out and get this out. You'd actually, to get this apart, you'd actually have to grind off the rivet and destroy the part, and then pull it out, and then you get this out, and then you can replace the bushings. I haven't made an effort yet to look at how much this costs, but replacing the whole piece is likely to be expensive. And so for now we're just going to put it back on and lubricate it well and accept that clacking sound. But if you want to get rid of it, then it's easy enough to do, but a significant amount of work, and you'll end up having to replace some parts. So if this video helped you out and you want to see more of them, hit like or subscribe or leave a comment. I'd love to hear what others say. Thanks for watching.